What's the meaning of conspicuous consumption? Conspicuous consumption. Conspicuous consumption.
Conspicuous consumption. Conspicuous consumption. Conspicuous consumption refers to the purchase and display of luxury goods or services for the purpose of demonstrating one's wealth or social status. This behavior is driven by the desire to signal one's financial success and standing in society. The result of conspicuous consumption is often the creation of an artificial sense of superiority and distinction, which can lead to a culture of excess and waste. Additionally, it can contribute to social inequality and perpetuate a cycle of materialism and consumerism.